Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Watch OS is current and that your iPhone is paired and unlocked. Open Wallet on the iPhone, tap Add Card and scan the card. This speeds entry and avoids typing errors. Once scanned, follow the bank's verification flow. Often a code arrives by SMS or the bank app. Enter it when prompted. Make sure you select the Apple Watch as the device to add the card to, because adding only to iPhone won't enable tap payments from the watch. Once the card appears, open the Watch app on your iPhone and go to Wallet and Apple Pay to finish setup. You choose a default card for quick payments and enable double-click side button so payments are one gesture, faster at checkout. If you need transit or boarding passes, add them on the iPhone. They sync automatically to the watch. Make sure wrist detection is on, because Apple Pay requires it for security when you use the watch to pay. To pay, double-click the side button, select the card if needed, then hold the watch face within a few centimeters of the contactless reader. You'll feel a tap and see a check mark. Once done, view transactions in Wallet on either device. If the card won't appear or payments fail, remove and re-add the card, restart both devices, and confirm the bank didn't block it. If problems persist, enable notifications from the bank app and call support for verification.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.